and increase the ratio. You can see this is called as a scaling. And last one is the affinity. You can see origin is there, x y z value is there, 1 1 1, and click xy plane. You can select from here, and x-axis you can select this x-axis. Okay, you can give affinity also. We will see pattern, rectangular pattern and circular pattern. For a rectangular pattern, we need a draw here, sketch it, and draw one circle at this side. Exit and pad it. Click on OK. Now select rectangular pattern and select current as a current body as a pad 3 and select reference. You can see select this edge and change the direction and increase. You can give, you can see this is increasing, and click on preview and OK. This is called as a rectangular pattern. Now we will see circular pattern. Select this face, sketch it, and draw one circle. Okay, and exit. Pad it, or you can hold. I want to pad only. Okay, now select the circular. Select here current body as a pad 5 and reference element. I want this edge, and increase the instance. You can see. Now preview and OK. This is called as a circular pattern. Thank you. This session is completed.